Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the on-off switch on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, a 10mm socket, a 10mm wrench, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. Using the 5/16" nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the throttle cover plate. Shift the throttle lever to the right so you can detach the plate. Next, use the 10mm socket to unthread the 2 front screws, securing the fuel tank to the bracket. Use the 10mm wrench to unthread the 2 rear screws securing the tank. Move the tank out of the way. Use the needle nose pliers to depress the tab to release the on-off switch from the bracket. Straighten the switch wire, then bend the metal retaining tab to release the wire and remove the old switch. To install the new on-off switch, bend the retaining tab and insert the wire into the hole in the plastic. Then snap the switch tab into place in the bracket. Reposition the tank on the bracket, then rethread the rear and front screws. Reposition the throttle cover plate and rethread the screws. If necessary, refill the fuel tank, and the engine should be ready for use.